Hi guys, here's me from OK Storage. How do you choose pallet racking system? What are the important points? Why OK Storage can be your reliable pallet racking manufacturer? Watch this video guidance. You can save at least 1 million for your warehouse. Before the factory video, allow me to briefly introduce about our OK Storage. OK Storage is one of the leading pallet racking manufacturers in China with over 20 years of experience. We can support you one-stop storage solution from consultation, design, installation, and after-sales service. Besides this, we also have several advantages such as exported to 85 countries, free sample and free consultation, lightning delivery time within 10 to 15 days, exclusive customized service, and 10 years super long warranty. Also have flexible ways of payment. Okay, now follow my view to see the production of our racking. As you can see, now I am in the factory. I will show several manufacturing process for our pallet racking system. Okay, the first one is the punching process. This is the certificate material we used. They are all from the biggest steel company in China, Baoshan. And now is punching the upright holes. We have several hole types, such as teardrop and hexagon. No matter what kind of upright you need, we can support you with customized service. We also regularly check and maintain our equipment so that we can ensure the accuracy of each punch. Next one is rolling. You can see the perforated material is reprocessed here. This machine we also check and maintain regularly to ensure the racking quality. Also can ensure the accuracy and the stability of the machine. Here is the rolling line. There are many different rolls that move the material forward. Each roll plays a different role and finally forms the upright. Now we can see our worker is welding box beams. It is an automatic welding machine. Compared with traditional manual welding, automatic welding can make welding place more even and keep consistent quality. What's more, the automatic welding can make your racking use for a longer time. So when you buy pallet racking, you need to pay attention to this point. After this automatic welding, we also arrange a worker to remove the welding slag. Only we have this manual process. After this process, the welding area will be more even and clean. This benefits the later powder coating and it can make your racking more beautiful. Now it is showing another process pickling the racking system, which is also only we have. Pickling can effectively remove stains on the racking surface and form an oxide film. It can better absorb resin powders later, so our racking is always better than others. After pickling, our workers will hang it up one by one. And then the racking will be washed and dried again through this machine before powder coating. You can see, here's a worker wiping the racks. The process can avoid a situation that the racking surface is not clean enough before painting. Okay, here is the process of painting. We mainly use mechanical spraying in powder coating process, but we also use manual spraying because manual spraying is all around and have no add angles. It can make our powder coating to be perfect. So manual spraying can ensure that the powder can be absorbed anywhere on the racking surface. So check your racking if the padding is perfect as ours. Perfect powder coating can make pallet racking system using for much more years. So it can save you much cost in pallet racking system. Our workers are taking them off and put them in order, and then they will be waiting for package. Here are the finished racking. The surface is smooth, flat, and shiny. Every time I see the finished racking, I also feel happy. The last one I will show you is finished products in our warehouse. There are many racking products. These are for our domestic customers. We also use the wrapping film around them to insulate from dust. Okay, here are the products for our foreign customers. We use cards in some places to prevent racking from damage when using forklifts. And we use steel strip to fix them to prevent them falling down during shipment. Perfect package also can ensure you can receive perfect products, so that you can save much time and worry in the risk of shipment. Here are all I want to show you this time. All these details during manufacturing can affect your racking much. Okay, you can see there is a container waiting to be loaded. If you want to know more about our loading, you can subscribe us. See you next time.